Save all your emails to PDF. Start by selecting All in Gmail. This will select all of the emails on this page, but a link will pop up to select all conversations in Primary. Click this to select all of the emails in your inbox. Click the Download as PDF button and click Save All Conversations to PDF. Here you can choose to save all emails as separate PDFs or merge them all to one. Success! Your emails are being converted to PDF files. Click this button to check the status. When your PDF is ready, you will receive an email. Open the email and click Download. Your emails have been saved to PDF. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.